Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make Jamaican caramel porridge. Begin by toasting 2 cups of rolled oats in a dry pan until fragrant, then stir in warm coconut milk. Create a simple caramel by melting sugar to a light amber color and whisking in a bit of milk. Combine caramel and oats, simmer gently, and finish with vanilla and salt. Serve warm with a drizzle of coconut cream and enjoy. To make the caramel, start with white sugar over medium heat and watch carefully as it melts and turns amber. Avoid stirring with a spoon. Instead, tilt and swirl the pan to keep the sugar smooth and even. Once amber, remove from heat and slowly whisk in coconut milk to stop cooking and create a rich, glossy caramel. Return briefly to low heat to incorporate, then cool slightly before adding to the porridge mixture. Start by combining toasted oats with your prepared caramel in a saucepan, then add 2 cups of coconut milk and 1 cup of water. Bring to a gentle simmer and cook for about 8 to 10 minutes, stirring frequently to keep the porridge smooth and prevent sticking. If the texture gets too thick, add more coconut milk 1 tablespoon at a time until desired creaminess. Finish by stirring in vanilla and a pinch of salt for depth.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.